Hey everyone, and welcome to The Explainer. Today we are taking a look at a tool that is seriously changing the game for how we find information online. If you are sick and tired of digging through page after page of search results just to find a simple answer, you're going to want to stick around for this.
First things first, let's start with a scenario that I'm willing to bet we've all lived through, probably even today. I'm talking about the classic, old-school way we use a search engine. And I really want you to think about this for a second. When you go looking for something online, who's doing all the heavy lifting? Is it the technology, or is it you? You know the drill, right? You type in a question, and what do you get back? Not an answer, but a homework assignment. You get a list of links, so you start opening tabs. 1, 2, 5, pretty soon you have a dozen of them. And now you have to read them all, compare them, and stitch together the answer for yourself. Your work is just getting started. And somehow, we've all just accepted that this is normal.
Okay, but now just imagine for a moment, what if a tool could do all of that messy work for you? What if it could read those top links, figure out what's important, and just give you the answer, all put together? Well, that's exactly the shift we're talking about today.
So let's pull back the curtain and meet the tool that's making this happen. It's called Perplexity AI, and trust me, it thinks about search in a totally different way.
Now, it's really important to understand that Perplexity isn't trying to be a creative writer or a chatbot like ChatGPT. Its mission is super focused. It just wants to give you knowledge, straight up. It's not a search engine, it's what we'd call an answer engine.
And this slide right here, it just nails the difference. A search engine is like being handed a bunch of ingredients and a recipe book. You still have to do all the work to bake the cake. An answer engine, like Perplexity, it just hands you the cake, already baked. And it even shows you the recipe it used, just in case you're curious.
Okay, so you're probably wondering, how does it actually pull this off? What's the secret sauce? Well, it really boils down to 3 key game-changing features.
Let's start with the first one, because this is really the heart of the whole thing. This is the magic that makes it all work.
So when you ask a question, you don't get a list of links. You get a direct, written summary. But here's the absolute best part. Next to the sentences, you'll see these little numbers. Each one is a citation. You can click it, and it will take you right to the exact article where it got that piece of information. This is huge, because it builds trust and lets you go deeper whenever you want to. Next up, we've got a feature that, honestly, is a total favorite for anyone who does a lot of research. It gives you so much more control.
It's called Focus, and it is so clever. Basically, it lets you tell Perplexity where to look for answers. So instead of searching the entire messy internet, you can narrow its focus to get much more precise results. And the options here are just fantastic. You can tell it, hey, for this search, only look at academic papers. Or, and this is so cool, you can tell it to search through YouTube video transcripts to find something someone said in a video. You can even tell it to search through Reddit to get real people's opinions. It's unbelievably useful. And finally, we have the feature that really turns a simple search into an actual conversation, a journey of discovery.
After Perplexity gives you its initial answer, it doesn't just stop and wait. It actually anticipates what you might want to know next, and it gives you a list of suggested follow-up questions. It's like having a research partner who's always thinking one step ahead of you.
So all those features sound great, but what does this mean in the real world? How does it actually change how we work? Let's walk through a quick scenario.
Let's say you're a marketing manager in Mumbai, and you need a quick report on the latest D2C market trends. The old way? You're blocking off at least half an hour, probably closer to 45 minutes, of just clicking, skimming, and typing up notes. The Perplexity way? We're talking less than 5 minutes. The difference in pure efficiency is it's massive.
And here's literally how easy that is. Step 1, you ask your big question about market trends. You get an instant summary. Step 2, you see that suggested follow-up question about the challenges brands are facing, and you just click it. And boom, just like that, you have a comprehensive, fully sourced report ready to go. You know, when you see it in action, you realize this isn't just about one neat tool. This is a real glimpse into the future of how we're all going to find information. It's a fundamental shift.
This quote on the screen just says it all, doesn't it? For as long as we've had search engines, the user, that's you and me, has had to carry the heavy burden of piecing everything together. Tools like Perplexity are finally shifting that burden from our shoulders onto the technology where it belongs.
So why does this matter so much? Well, whether you're a student trying to get through a research paper, a professional who needs to stay informed, or honestly, just anyone who loves to learn new things, this is an incredible productivity booster. It gives you back the one thing we can never make more of, your time.
So, I want to leave you with this one final thought. Think about your own day-to-day. What is that one research task, that one report, that one topic that you just dread doing because you know it's going to take forever? Now, just imagine what you could accomplish with all that time back.
And that's our look at Perplexity AI. I really hope this sparked some ideas for you. If you want to keep exploring topics like this, here's how you can do that.
For more such blogs, you can always reach out to www.multigyan.in, and of course, make sure to like and subscribe to the Multigyan YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.